Welcome to Prime's Metal Building and Structures. My name's Nathan England. Prime has 4 robotic welders. They come in a set of 2. So one set of 2 is operated by 2 people. And these 2 people have at Prime in the past run up to 28 parts in a 10-hour shift. These robotic systems are capable of doing parts up to 5,000 pounds. Each zone can do a 40-foot piece or 60-foot combined in both zones. Here at Prime, we implement innovative technology into our manufacturing process to advance our production process. By advancing our production process with technology like welding robots, we are ahead of the curve in the metal building industry.